Do you work for your business or does the business work for you? Do you network? How do you get out there? How are you going to break the cycle of going to work every day and swinging paint? Are you rolling, sanding, cutting in all day? How long is your body going to last? I'm Ron Ramsey. I'm a DYB coach, also painting contractor. I've been there. I loved painting way back when, and I still miss it when I'm not doing it. But there's a point where you have to work on your business instead of in your business. I know some of us just love painting and say, this is what I want to do. But if you want to grow, you want to retire, you want to actually have a business that operates without you, you have to make some changes. And right now I'm headed to a networking group. And what's the networking group? We meet once a week. There's about 30 of us. And, you know, it's a little uncomfortable at first walking through the door when you've never networked before. I remember back then it was a small group, about 12 people. I've changed networking groups over the years. I've been doing it for about 14, 15 years now. And I'm in multiple groups. But the reason I go is these are my salespeople. And what I mean by that is they get to know me and they refer me. In fact, in the last 3 weeks, I had 3 referrals from the plumber who had to cut some holes in ceilings because of some frozen pipes and leaking pipes. Those were no-brainers. These people didn't know who to call. He worked on it, and he says, hey, they said, do you know who can fix it? And they said, call this guy. We landed all 3 jobs on the spot. You know, this is why we network. This is why we grow. I'm out there, and quite often I tell my crew is I'm shaking hands and kissing babies because I'm making it happen. I'm getting the jobs. I'm landing the jobs. I'm hiring. I'm unfortunately letting people go now and then. But to build the business to a point where I have Friday afternoons off, I work 4.5 days a week, this happens. I couldn't do that if I was in the field. And like I said, I do miss it. The beginning, the finish, the transformation of the jobs, it's amazing. But you have to get outside your comfort zone if you want to grow your business. You know, you could have 3-4 guys in the field with you. That's great when you're working, but it comes to a point where you have to do more than just swing a brush to grow the business. It's networking, it's getting out and getting to know people. You know, just the other day I also got a call from someone that a chiropractor in my group had referred us to for kitchen cabinets. These are people I mean, I know the chiropractor, I know the plumber because of my group. I've gotten to know them over the years, and I would have never even landed any of these jobs if I wasn't just direct referral. And you know, most of the time I'm the only guy going in there because they trust the chiropractor, and because they trust the chiropractor, they trust me. And what else will networking do for you? It will make you more comfortable speaking in front of other people. A lot of people, and I know way back when I went in, I was like a mouse in the room. You know, I didn't know anybody. You know, hi and, you know, shake hands. Who are you? That was good. But now it's so much easier walking into the room, giving a presentation if I have to give a presentation in front of 15, 20, 30 people, possibly more. And it comes to you over time. It doesn't happen all at once. You get to know what you're supposed to be doing. You get to feel more comfortable. I'm not saying there's not butterflies sometimes when you're speaking in front of a large group that maybe you don't know, but none of this would have been available if I didn't start with a networking group. So if you want more salespeople in the field referring you, you have to get out of your comfort zone, and you should join some kind of networking group. Don't join right away. Visit a couple times. If it's the Rotary, it's the Chamber of Commerce, it's a local BNI, if it's a LITIP, if it's a local Board of Trade, Exchange Club, whatever it may be. Visit until you feel like, hey, this is a good choice for me, this is a good fit. Ask around your social network. Find out some of your friends who are in some of these. That might be an easy way to get in. You can actually go with somebody, feel more comfortable. If you're going to step out of your comfort zone, you got to put down the brush. You have to put down the brush. You have to go into these networking groups, and you have to make new acquaintances. These are your salespeople for the future. I'm Ron Ramsey. I'm a DYB coach. Give it a shot. I love talking to people. I love helping people. If you want to get out of the bucket, shoot me a message at ron@dybcoach.com. Let's come up with a plan. Let's chat on Facebook. Let's give each other a call on the phone. Once again, Ron here, DYB coach. I'm also a painting contractor. I'm going to a networking group right now. Have a great day and get out of the bucket.